So, what makes WordPress a content management system? In this video, we're going to focus on custom fields and some of the things that you can do with custom fields. Custom fields are a part of what makes WordPress a content management system. Custom fields allow us to easily manage the type of content that we're entering into our website and the type of content that we're also outputting on the website as well. So when you think about a website, websites take different types of data. Say for instance, a WooCommerce website has products, and within the products there's the price field, there's the product image field, there's the product description field. You've also got the price for when the product is on sale. You might have things like product dimensions, how much does it weigh, what size it is, what colors does it come in. It could come in multiple different sizes. So these are all situations where custom fields would come in handy. So the regular text editor, the Tiny Mice text editor, is not going to help us with anything but text. So we need custom fields that take different types of data. And on this website's not an e-commerce site, but we've used custom fields basically to build this whole site. We've got a custom field for this logo. We've got a custom field for the phone number. We've got a custom field for this button. So this is a call to action button. So I've created a custom field for that. We have a custom field for this background image and this title here. This is also a custom field. These also are custom fields, same as these. And well, this is a form field, but somewhere there's some custom fields involved in there as well. So let's take a look at the back end. Let's take a look at some custom fields. Let's see how this page is constructed. So here's our custom title, and here's the background image. We've also got another custom field here for a subtitle, which we haven't used, so we just left it empty. And here's some more content that we saw on the front end. Here's another custom field called a standard text editor, which we've used just to pull in a shortcode. This one here is also a standard text custom field. This is an image custom field, which we've programmed to sit in the background. And then we've got some other custom fields which we're using for design options for the CTA strip. So these are all the elements that make up the page. Now, we're using advanced custom fields for this because they give you a lot more options than the standard WordPress custom fields. So we're using a plugin called Advanced Custom Fields to manage our custom fields. There's also another custom field here that allows us to switch the banner off and on. Now we'll go in to see where all the custom fields are generated. So if we go into custom fields and go to field groups, so we've built, as I said before, the whole website's built out of custom fields, so we've built a lot of them. The one we're looking for the page. So we built a set of custom fields just for the pages, and we've called it the page builder. If we edit this, we'll take a closer look at the custom fields. So we've built all these fields: slideshow, CTA strip, which we saw on the page. We can add the slideshow to the page if we want. A testimonial carousel, text with image. So that's kind of a layout, best selling, tour trip, tour carousel. So we've built all these blocks, we call them blocks, that we can add to the page. So blocks to us are a collection of custom fields. So we've built all these blocks, and if we go back to our page, we can just add in, oops, get rid of that. We can just add in our custom fields. So here's the slider, I add that in. So adding in the slider, and I can drag that to the top if I want. And see how this slider is just a collection of custom fields, which now require me to enter the content. So these custom fields are what helps WordPress become a content management system, because it's helping us manage the content a bit better. So in this situation, these are all the fields for my homepage, banner, slider. So, and they're all nicely laid out. All I need to do now is enter the content and add the images, and I'll have a slideshow added to the page. Now it's not as easy as just adding some images and text to the fields. There is some coding involved to output these custom fields on the front end. So you can get plenty more information on that at the custom fields website. It's full of good documentation on, see, here's the slideshow I've just added to the page. So if you go to the advanced custom, if you just Google ACF, actually, should be, nope, ACF is too, here we go, Advanced Custom Fields plugin. So there is a free version of the plugin, there's also a premium version of the plugin. There is a lot of documentation here about how to actually output the fields on the front end. So you will have to go into, your theme files and basically copy and paste a little bit of PHP code into your template files to output things like text fields, image fields, all types of different fields. They're all displayed here with full documentation on everything. So this is a great resource, and like I said, you can get started with the free Advanced Custom Fields plugin. Another important factor of what makes WordPress a content management system is we've created this custom field page builder, and the page builder is only available to us on pages. So it's actually not available to us on other post types, such as posts or tours or brochures or forms or media. It's only available to us on pages because it's our page builder. So these are the custom fields we built specifically for the page post type. So this is sort of adding that extra layer of further managing the content a bit better. So once again, this is what's helping WordPress be a content management system. If we go and take a closer look at the custom fields again, oops, sorry, custom fields here, custom fields. And we go to the page builder here. So you'll notice, so here's all the fields in here, but you'll notice I've set these rules here. So the post type is equal to page. The page type is not equal to post page, and there's a few other rules in there excluding templates and stuff like that. So we're adding these layers of content management into the system, which can really help you create some really powerful, unique solutions combining custom fields and custom post types. So you're really only limited by your own creativity, and throw in a little bit of programming, and you can build some really powerful, unique stuff.